GK Kids.
The Mischievous Lion and the Haunted Bicycle. Once upon a time, there was a small village at the edge of a forest where a mischievous lion named Sheru lived. Sheru was very clever and always up to some prank. His biggest mischief was riding a bicycle at night. When all the other animals were fast asleep, Sheru would take his shiny bicycle and ride straight into the middle of the forest. One night, the moonlight was bright, and all the village animals were in a deep sleep. Sheru mounted his bicycle and headed toward the forest. As soon as he entered, a sudden cold breeze began to blow. The surroundings became eerily quiet. Sheru thought to himself, where did this wind come from? The weather was fine today. But he didn't stop. Ringing the bicycle bell, he continued forward. Suddenly, the chain of his bicycle started making a strange rattling sound. Sheru didn't pay much attention and thought of fixing it. But just then, a white shadow appeared right in front of his bicycle. Sheru slammed the brakes, and the bicycle came to an abrupt stop. His eyes widened in shock. A terrifying ghost stood before him. In a low, airy voice, the ghost said, "Who dares to disturb my nightly ride?" Sheru's heart began to pound. All his mischievousness vanished in an instant. Terrified, without a second thought, he tossed the bicycle aside and started running as fast as he could. From behind, he could hear the ghost laughing, "Ha ha! You couldn't handle my bicycle." Sheru kept running and running until he reached the village's edge. Panting, he thought, "Never again. I will never ride a bicycle at night again." The next morning, when all the village animals woke up, they saw Sheru sitting outside his cave, exhausted. Everyone asked him what had happened, but Sheru didn't say a word. His bicycle was still lying in the forest, but he never went back to retrieve it. And that's how Sheru's nighttime adventures came to an end, and he went from being the bravest lion in the jungle to the lion scared of ghosts. ***Moral***. Sometimes, pranks can come at a high cost.